Ted's tip jar may be overflowing this week.
Yeah, it was one of those weeks that, you just can't draw it up this nicely. It looks like a beautiful stretch of weather is ahead of us. We've had some bits and pieces of nice weather at times, a couple of spells of really pleasant weather in the last couple of weeks, but we've always managed to have something a little less than ideal thrown in as well. But this whole week actually looks phenomenal. Looks like we're going to have a whole week with this type of weather. We've enjoyed nothing but sunshine. Here's time lapse from the very beginning of today through the mid-morning hours from the Bell Tower there to CC Heights looking to the west. That's our Lewiston auto camera. Not a cloud to be seen all morning. A couple of fair weather clouds have popped up. Now looking live in that same direction. A couple of fair weather clouds here and there, but that's it. Not many more than those. Just blue sky and comfortable temperatures. 77 in Rochester, Mesa City 80. It's 78 in Cresco, Winona 81. Low humidity, dew point still in the 50s, and you can always take that as one point in the scoreboard for us. We're doing pretty well. Dew point 59, air pressure steady, 30.02 inches of mercury. Dew points all across the map looking much more comfortable than the past couple of days. We've been dealing with mid and upper 70s. That's steamy, muggy, stuffy weather we had over the weekend. That's all now pushed southward. The cold front has swept through. Dew point down Peoria 72, but closer to home we're talking 50s to low 60s, and that is it. That's typical, I think, what we're going to be seeing most of this week. So less humidity in the air today. A couple of isolated storms come up tomorrow. That may represent the only rain chance the entire work week. Maybe several days before you see another chance of rain. And let's stick with mild sunshine for the most part. That'll be the rule. Stuff we're seeing right now will be kind of what we'll see more often than not throughout the week. The cold front pushing southward. Showers, thunderstorms across parts of Illinois and Missouri. High pressure coming in behind that, making for a nice, bright, quiet situation. Looking at tropical depression Hannah. This is now migrating westward across northern Mexico, pushing to the west. Maximum sustained winds are a lot weaker than they were when it was a hurricane at 90 miles per hour a couple of days ago. It's now 30 miles per hour, so much weaker, and just a moderate amount of rainfall in northern Mexico. So that is the situation down there that's getting better as well. We could use a little more rain. We did have a decent amount, though. We cut our deficit to about 1/10 of an inch here in Rochester. Overall, we had a little more than half an inch officially at the airport. Here at this end of town is closer to 3/4 of an inch. In north and west of Rochester, the highest amounts: Byron 2.09 inches, Douglas 1.6 inches, Wabasha and Lake City both 1.15 inches. And so the deficit now about 1,500 of an inch, 1,400 of an inch specifically at the airport in Rochester. And for the year overall, we have a slight surplus actually of almost an inch. 19.90 inches the rainfall total thus far in 2020. Sunshine will dominate the afternoon with that nice northwest breeze at 16 miles per hour, 80 the expected high. Sunset 8:39. So 80 today, will cool off to around 60 tonight and right back up to about 80 tomorrow with a few isolated showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder. High pressure making for a quiet day today, but watching this weak clipper system coming in that may trigger a couple of showers. One slight chance late in the morning. I think the better chance overall arrives around lunchtime and into the early evening hours. Scattered showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder. That weak front pushes southward to keep that cool air coming in from Canada and those north winds. High pressure comes in and it continues to dominate the midweek weather picture after those scattered storm chances tomorrow, and then looking ahead at the latter part of the week, not many rain chances until maybe Sunday. Pretty small chance there as well. Temperatures overall kind of a very consistent pattern right around the climate average. 81 would be typical. We'll be in that range, pretty much give or take a degree throughout the next 7 days. 80 today in Rochester, 79 in Austin, 82 in Red Wing, and 81 in Osage, New Hampton. 81 with mostly sunny skies, northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight mainly clear, a low of 60, and for tomorrow some sun, also a couple of isolated showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, especially from noon until about 5 or 6 in the evening. So some afternoon very sparsely scattered activity. And then we'll look at some mild sunshine for the latter part of the week. The temperatures very much in that summer comfort zone, Jess.
Very few complaints are going to head your way this week, Tom.
I hope not.
Yeah, remember that in January. Thank you.